What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here and we're in Luke's garage. We got the Subaru in the garage tonight. We got some goodies for it. What do you got here?
Some shiny new parts, baby. Engine technologies, cold air intake, in chrome, of course.
Woo, baby! So you ordered this back in
January 9th. I ordered my exhaust and my shift knob well after ordering this, and I got them both way before. They had to
Canada.
Yeah, they had to make one because they did not have any, nor did the manufacturer have any. They had to make one for me.
So basically, Luke's been waiting for a long time. It showed up today. Obviously, he wants to put it in, but we figured we may as well just make a fun little video about it. Just start getting things rolling again, getting ready for the season. We just put the wheels on my truck. We just put the wheels back on Luke's car. And I would say we are just about ready for the summertime, I'd say. But anyways, let's start with opening this up. We got the old one, the older airbox to take out.
Ugly stock engine bay down.
We love it though. Cause you know why? Do you know why? Because it's got turbo.
Mishimoto, bro. Mishimoto.
Oh, let's add sponsor. No,
$200 piece of rubber that barely fits because it's not made for my car.
You win some, you lose some. Today, that time you lost some.
I've lost much.
So we got this airbox to take off. All these coolant hoses. Like, what do we?
We'll figure that out.
So we're gonna start with ripping this off. So we just take all this off?
No, you just take it goes to here.
Oh, it does go there.
This is the turbo inlet, which is like another $400 piece of rubber that I don't want to buy. So I'm not.
Mm-hmm. So
I already bought a $400 piece of metal with a $15 cone filter on it. Amazing.
But like, it looks cool.
Make cool noises.
So what are you doing here?
Just putting the clamps back on so I don't lose them.
Fair enough. Are you gonna try and sell this stock airbox?
No, probably not.
I don't think you'll get any money for it. Anyways. Exactly, that's what I was gonna say. I bet you somebody would buy one.
Blow up your Subaru like a man. Don't do maintenance or reliability mods. Like, I'm due for an oil change right now, but I'm doing this. Blow up your Subaru like a
Priorities.
like it was meant to be. Let's do this. What?
Okay, I can hold this. Oh, the coolant hot.
Yeah.
Ooh. Whoa! Look at all this weight reduction.
Cue the assembly montage.
What's this? We don't need that. We don't need that.
The pipe. The filter.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, it was like it was meant to be.
Almost.
That's what happens when you buy good parts.
Yeah, I hope it fits.
You don't know if it fits?
Well, it's meant for it's meant for an SDR.
They're the same car. Can we insert the clip once it doesn't fit? It's for the same car.
Don't make them for the Forester.
You'd think an intake would be really easy. I'm sorry, I'm eating right now, but.
Yeah, say that about everything.
But I feel like we're gonna make it hard, just like how I'm looking at it right now.
I think it mounts to that on the coolant reservoir. I hate my life. Bro, does it not fit? I don't know.
They're the same car. Can we insert the clip once it doesn't fit?
Just tight. Fine, we'll look at the instruction.
Hey, Logan. It fits. It's the same car.
Look, it's literally the same car. Well, you know what? Let's look over here. That's how I'm supposed to go.
I mean, I don't see a big.
Engine bay and tell me it's not the same thing.
Can I just?
I'm reading instructions. No. No.
But this, I mean, like,
maybe it goes in the hole.
now
yeah.
that's
Oh
too good.
yeah.
Make sure you get the brand deal up. Just kidding, we don't get brand deals.
Tight.
That's what she said.
It's a tight one. Yeah, well. This. Nice. Seal that well. I hate cars. So, affection, collection, continental breakfast.
Well, after a little scare, and we were like, oh, it doesn't fit.
There's the same car. Pull it right over. I hate my life.
We got fit. So, as you can see, it's in.
Oh, crazy.
It's tight, but that's what it looks like on the sheets here. But anyways, got the coolant hoses just kind of zip tied up. We didn't really feel like leaving it just dangling was a good idea.
I think it's pretty. What did they do in the picture? It's clean enough. They just left it dangling in the picture.
Got the nice little injen right there, and coupling right here. This is a little bit weird. Do we show them this or no? They're just
yeah. You know, we put all our problems out there with this car because there's no videos on the internet because we don't get this in the States yet. So, anyways,
basically, you can see a little gap here, but that's basically because this, was it turbo inlet?
Yeah.
Turbo inlet is
This does not.
your turbo inlet and your intake and like pipe, whatever. Anyways, they kind of meet and they kind of like have like a little bridge almost, like they. I don't know how to describe it. Describe a bridge for me, bud. Go like this, Logan. Go like this. It bridges kind of like that. And Luke put his hose clamps on. His hose clamps. Anyways, put these on basically to make sure that there was nothing. Yeah, it does look a little sketch on this side, but it all fits. And if we're being honest, this car is sketch because we did put the STI turbo in it. Luke still yet has to get a working AFR gauge.
eBay catless downpipe.
eBay callus downpipe.
Full 3-inch exhaust.
And but you got a nice new exhaust now.
Yeah, still a full 3-inch.
Well, whatever, still works. But anyways, and he has not tuned it, so that turbo is kind of sketchy. It's a kind of a ticking time bomb. But Luke doesn't like to bag his car. He says, but this is coming along nicely.
I just put my foot to the floor since I bought the thing, so.
You haven't?
Not really. I can count on one hand. This thing really doesn't want to go on nice. Sketchy. Probably should have blown this thing out.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Yep. All right. So we've been driving for a little bit, and it's not bad. You can definitely hear the turbo spool a lot more.
And the recirculation valve, you can hear pretty good. Like, before you could still hear it when you're driving, like, no music, quiet. But now you can hear every time you let off the throttle.
So yeah, me and Luke just had a conversation, and I asked him about a blow-off valve. And we both kind of came to the consensus that this is probably the ultimate setup where just like it's enough to where
You can enjoy it. Obnoxious.
Yeah, without being annoying.
If it was an absolute race car, then like, yeah, sure, straight pipes, loud noises, all that. But like, it's a daily driver, it's a Forester mom van that I've stanced. I don't need to be.
You don't need to be that guy. You've been that guy.
I'm already under the police radar. I don't need to put myself back on the police radar.
Here we go.
therefore probably get a lot more noise, but I also don't want to blow up my Subaru, despite what I said earlier.
It's a ticking time, Mom.
It was a joke. Don't blow up your Subaru. Treat it nice.
But those gauges just, I love it.
I want them up here.
That would be so cool if they were right there. But we'll get there. Well, I think that's about gonna do it today. We have finally completed the intake install, and now we're kind of just hanging out, shooting, and talk about plans. I already have. Yeah, yeah, no. Right there? Right where? Right, what's that? Oh, what's that?
You can't see it.
Oh, nothing. Anyways. So, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed,
Like this video for a giveaway.
like this video for a giveaway. We're giving away lug nuts. Spline, what's the size?
Hold something in my hand. Oh, that hurt me. Oh.
Some 14 by 1.5 chrome 7 spline open end lug nuts. But the key is not included.
One lucky winner, though.
But one lucky winner. You DM.
Yeah, it's gotta be worth like $10.
DM me on Instagram, and hey, you might just get them. Anyways, we got that kind of finished. We got some thinking going on. What's that?
Did we show them how we fixed the air intake?
Not really, but like we can like talk about it.
You really fixed it.
So basically, when we got back, this thing was like, so you see how it was so tight, but now we have room. It kind of like slid back, and then we kind of came to consensus that we're just gonna slide.
I tried denting my fender, liner, whatever, wheel well. Didn't really work that well, and I just decided to push it past the flare on the end and just tighten it a bit. And it's pretty, like I can like shake the whole car with this.
So hopefully that works. Hopefully we don't hear of anything going into Luke's engine and it going kaboom.
Mm-hmm. Just buy a WRX, it's easier than a Forester.
We're gonna leave it off there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe. We got lots coming up this summer. Well, me and him do. This kid's just here. This kid's just here. But anyways, catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Let us know in the comments down below if you guys want to see us build a drift cart.